So hello my dear students, today in this class we are going to study about the representation of rational numbers on the number line. Okay, so first you should have to know what is number line. Okay, number line, what is number line? Here this is one line. Okay, this is one line and this line represents numbers. Okay, this line represents numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, or here also -1, -2, -3. Okay, so this line represents all numbers. So this line are called as a number line. Okay, in that number line now we have to represent which numbers? Rational numbers. Okay, what is rational numbers then? Rational numbers P and Q are the any integers. It is written in, it can be written in the form of P divided by Q, and Q is not equal to 0. Okay, so such numbers are called as a rational numbers. Okay, so see here. Now see here, this is the natural number. Okay, natural number. Now represent the natural numbers on number line. See here, this is one number line. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay, so this number line is extended. This number line is extended on right hand side of 1. Okay, the natural numbers, the numbers or the number line is extended on the which side? Right hand side. Right hand side of number 1. Okay, this is called as a number line. Next, whole numbers. Okay, now take whole numbers. Whole numbers. Here this is one number line and this number line represents some numbers, so on. Okay, continuously extended. This number line is extended on the right hand side of 0 number. Here natural numbers only having 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the countable numbers. And what is the whole numbers? The whole numbers is also natural numbers and as well as including 0. Okay, and these all numbers are on the number line is right hand side from the 0. Is it right? So now take here integers. Okay, integers. See here now, this is one number line and between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and here this is the left hand side. So -1, -2, -3, -4. Now see here, this integer number line is extended on both sides. Here this is left hand side, this is right hand side, and this number line is extended on both sides from 0. Left hand side also this number line extended, and right hand side also this number line are extended. Okay, so now move towards the rational numbers. Okay, see here, in the case of rational number, now I write here 0. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3, so on. Here also 1, 2, 3, so on. This is the negative integers are present in the left hand side on the number line and positive integers are present on the right hand side of the number line. Is it right? So now represent the rational numbers. Okay, what is rational numbers? The P and Q are the any integers. It is in the form of P divided by Q and Q is not equal to 0. So right here, now see here, 1 divided by 2. Is it right? 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, okay, 4 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2. Now here also same, -1 divided by 2, -3 divided by 2, -5 divided by 2. Is it right? So these are the rational numbers. Is it right? So like that, now we have to represent these rational numbers on the number line. Okay, and here also this number line is extended on both sides from 0. Both sides from 0. Is it right? This number line extended goes on continuously. Now take another one example. Okay, take another one example. This is one number line. Okay, and here take 0. Only right hand side we have to write here. Now see here 1 divided by 2. Sorry, 1 divided by 3, and here I get, and next here 1. Okay, or you can take one number line in the here 0. Take 0, and your 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, now see here in the number 0 and 1, in between 0 and 1, in between 0 and 1, is there any one number? Yes. Which number it is? It is called as a rational number. Okay, it is called as a rational number. See here, in between 0 and 1, there is a 1 divided by 2 is the rational number is present. Is it right? So now see here another one example. Take 0. Okay, and here 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, and here 1. Right? 1. Then what is the value of this point? What is the value of this point? See here, 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3, this point is 2 divided by 3, and this point is 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Is it right? 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. So therefore here, so 1 divided by 3, comma, here which number? You have to write here 2 divided by 3. Is it right? 2 divided by 3. Like that you have to represent the rational number on the number line. Okay. So take one example. Give one example. See here. 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 shown in number line. Shown in number line. So see here, first you have to confirm your denominator. Okay, this is 8. Denominator 1 divided by 8. So 8 is a denominator. So therefore here this is one number line. In between two consecutive integers. Okay, in between two natural numbers or in between two consecutive integers. Okay, see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In between two consecutive numbers. Okay, consecutive which means 0 and 1 or 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 3 and 4. These are the consecutive numbers. In between these two consecutive numbers, we have to divide in equals 8 parts. Okay, in between two consecutive numbers, you have to divide equal parts. How many equal parts? 8 equal parts. Okay, if they give 1 divided by 4, now you have to divide this portion into equal 4 parts. Equal how many parts? 4 parts. Okay, how it is? See here. Now we will show you. Okay, now 1 divided by 8 shown in natural number line. Okay, so see here, this is one number line. Okay, start from 0. Start from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes on. Okay. Next, now see here. 1 divided start from 1 divided by 8, 2 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 4 divided by 8, 5 divided by 8, 6 divided by 8, 7 divided by 8. Okay. Next 8 divided by 8. Now see here, 1 divided by 8, 2 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided by 8. Now see here, what is the value of 8 divided by 8? 1. Is it right? So this is 1 value. Goes on continuously, same here. Now here 8. Okay. So 9 divided by 8, 10 divided by 8, 11 divided by 8, 12 divided by 8. Okay. The next 13 divided by 8, 14 divided by 8, 15 divided by 8, 16 divided by 8. So now see here, 16 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So what is the value of 16 divided by 8? 16 divided by 8, its value is 2. Now see here, the distance between two consecutive integers. Okay, we make how many equal parts? 8 parts. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Equal 8 parts. Okay, so now you show the rational number. Which rational number? 1 divided by 8 on the number line. See here, this is the 1 divided by 8 is the value on the number line. Okay, now you show the 10 divided by 8 on the number line. Now you can show this number. Okay, this is the 10 divided by 8. Is it right? So now we understood how we represent the rational numbers on the number line. Okay, first you think about this denominator and this equal parts. First make equal parts of this denominator in two consecutive integers. Okay, if take another one example. Okay, take here another one example. 5 divided by 4. Show the rational number 5 divided by 4 on the number line. Okay, on the number line. See here, now you make one number line. Okay, another one point here. The rational number, if rational number is positive, you start from 0 to the right hand side. From 0 to the right hand side. If this rational number is negative, you start from 0. You start from 0 to left hand side. Okay, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay, so now this is a positive rational number. So I start from 0 to the right hand side on the number line. Okay, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now right here, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4, which means 1. Now see here, the two consecutive integers, 0 and 1, two consecutive integers, and two consecutive integers makes 4 equal parts. Why 4? Because the denominator, our denominator is 4. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. Is it right? Next, continuous. Okay, 5 divided by 4, 6 divided by 4, 7 divided by 4. Okay, so on. Now see here, 5 divided by 4. Where is 5 divided by 4? See here. This is our rational number, and now you can show on the number line. Is it right? Like that, you have to show the rational, represent. Okay, like that, you have to represent the rational numbers on the number line. On the number line. Okay, so now see here, the 5 divided by 4 and 7 divided by 4. Okay, now we have to find the how many rational numbers in between 5 divided by 4 and 7 divided by 4. Okay, so now we have to go into study find out the rational numbers in between two rational numbers. This is the 5 divided by 4 rational number, 7 divided by 4 rational number, and now we have to find the remaining rational numbers in between 5 divided by 4 and 7 divided by 4. See here, 5 divided by 4 and 7 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4, 7 divided by 4. There is one rational number is there. One rational number is there. Which rational number it is? 6 divided by 4. Okay. So, like that we have to find the rational number in between two rational numbers. Okay. Now we have to study about that concept. Okay. So please write this number line, this one and this one, and now move towards the next concept. Okay.